The biggest doors we've made at this site were 4.8 metres tall by a little over 3 metres wide. Everything's done to order because everything is literally made to the customer's needs. So every door, every product is made millimetre perfect so that you get exactly what you want. So Dean and his crew cut all our aluminium, which is the start of the project. So every order starts here with Dean. He has to precise cut, millimetre perfect all project, which does a great job. Skin gets put on the top, weighted down, glued overnight. The raw extrusion. From here it gets cut to length, sent out for anodizing, black anodized, brought back and machined to be put into the final product.
We do most of our milling and our custom handle parts on these machines. We program it. If it's a new job, we program it, but once it's programmed, we just call it up, load it on the machine.
Basically my role is to ensure that I keep this area working well, coordinated, keep the team happy, but mainly keep our customers happy. So there's a lot of moving parts out there, and basically I have a pretty good team around me, and my job is really to help them to get it out the door.
I guess it's like fashion, how fashion will be popular in the 60s, phase out and then come back again. Same with the bar track. That's what I reckon. Another feature that people love is our soft stop. So as soon as you can slam it, it'll slowly close just before it.
So we have a lot of expertise in cavity sliders, and that's why we design configurability into our product, so that we can use our expertise to match exactly the type of product the customer wants and the finish and the detail. All our wheels and cavities have a 10-year warranty, and they can be really relied on to do what they're supposed to do. There's the ease of install, so really design in trying to make our product easier for the builder to install than any other products on the market. And then finally for the end user, it's smoother running and quieter.